Most yachts are built to look beautiful in a marina. This one was built to cross oceans. At first glance, Beyond Capricorn seems calm, elegant, and almost modest compared to many modern superyachts. But hidden beneath that quiet appearance is something extraordinary. This 79-foot Explorer yacht carries enough fuel and supplies to travel nearly 6,000 nautical miles. She has the interior volume of yachts more than 30 feet longer. She was designed not for weekend escapes, but for months at sea, far from crowded ports and luxury marinas. Every door, every deck, and every system on board has a purpose. And the deeper you look, the more surprising she becomes. What appears to be a simple yacht may actually be one of the smartest long-range Explorer yachts ever built. And the biggest surprise is still waiting ahead. The yacht that chose function over fashion. When most people imagine a luxury yacht, they picture something shining under the sun in Monaco, St. Tropez, or Miami. They imagine sleek lines, giant glass windows, and crowds gathering at the dock to admire it. Beyond Capricorn takes a very different path. The moment you see her, you realize this yacht was built for a different purpose. She is elegant, but she is not trying to steal attention. She is beautiful, but not because of flashy styling. Instead, every part of her design seems focused on one question. What happens when the marina disappears behind the horizon? At nearly 79 feet long, Beyond Capricorn looks strong and purposeful. Her steel hull gives her the presence of a working ship rather than a floating showpiece. This is the kind of yacht that feels ready to leave the coast behind and keep going long after other vessels have turned back toward port. That philosophy becomes clear the closer you look. The doors are heavier, the structures are stronger, the deck layouts feel practical instead of decorative. Even small details reveal the mindset behind the yacht. This is not a vessel designed for a weekend anchored near a beach club. It is a vessel designed for crossing oceans, exploring remote coastlines, and spending weeks or even months away from busy marinas. For wealthy owners who dream of true adventure, that difference matters. Anyone can buy a yacht that looks impressive for an afternoon. Very few yachts are capable of carrying their owners safely across vast stretches of open water while still providing comfort, privacy, and luxury. That is what makes Beyond Capricorn so fascinating. She represents a different kind of prestige, not the prestige of being seen, but the prestige of being able to go places that most people will never reach. And as impressive as her mission may be, the real surprises begin when we step outside and discover just how much thought has gone into making this yacht capable of taking on the world's oceans. A floating fortress, built for the open sea. Walk around Beyond Capricorn, and you quickly notice something unusual. This yacht does not feel delicate. It does not feel fragile. It feels solid. There is a confidence in her design that comes from knowing exactly what she was built to do. The foundation of that confidence begins with her steel hull. Many luxury yachts focus on reducing weight and maximizing speed. Beyond Capricorn focuses on strength. Her steel construction gives her the kind of durability that serious explorers value when crossing thousands of miles of open ocean. Combined with an aluminum superstructure above, the yacht balances strength and efficiency in a way that perfectly suits long-range cruising. One of the most revealing details is found at the entrance to the main salon. On many modern yachts, large glass doors create a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. They look beautiful in calm weather. But Beyond Capricorn was designed with rough seas in mind. The entrance features a remarkably high threshold, similar to what you might find on commercial ships. It may not be the flashiest design choice, but it helps prevent powerful waves from entering the interior during challenging conditions. Moving across the decks, Practicality continues to guide every decision. The spacious aft deck provides a comfortable dining area while still maintaining a strong sense of security. The large swim platform gives easy access to the water, while storage areas are positioned where they are actually useful rather than hidden purely for appearance. Higher up, the boat deck reveals another clue about the yacht's true purpose. Instead of sacrificing space for dramatic styling, the area is dedicated to carrying serious equipment. Large tenders, water toys, and essential cruising gear can all be launched and recovered with ease. Everything feels designed for adventure rather than display. This is what separates explorer yachts from ordinary luxury yachts. Every feature serves a mission. Every detail supports life at sea. And while the exterior already feels impressive, what lies behind these strong walls is even more surprising. Because hidden inside this rugged vessel is an amount of living space that seems almost impossible for a yacht of this size. The secret behind her massive interior volume. Step inside beyond Capricorn, and something immediately feels different. The yacht may measure just under 79 feet in length, but the interior tells a completely different story. The space feels larger, wider, and far more open than anything you would normally expect from a yacht of this size. The first surprise is the salon. Natural light fills the room, reflecting off elegant finishes and warm mahogany wood. The atmosphere feels calm and timeless. There are no flashy decorations competing for attention, no extravagant features added simply to impress visitors. Instead, everything feels refined, comfortable, and built for real life at sea. Then you begin to notice the scale of the space itself. The ceilings are higher than expected. The beam of the yacht creates an incredible sense of width. Walking through the salon feels more like moving through a much larger vessel. This is where one of Beyond Capricorn's greatest secrets starts to reveal itself. The yacht offers an astonishing 259 gross tons of interior volume. That number may not sound exciting at first, but in the yacht world, it is extraordinary. Many yachts that are 20, 30, or even more feet longer simply cannot match it. Owners are not just buying a yacht. They are gaining the living space usually found on vessels in an entirely different size category. The feeling continues as you move deeper into the yacht. The galley is enormous, almost commercial in scale. It has enough room for serious meal preparation during long voyages. Nearby, guest accommodations provide comfort without sacrificing practicality. Every cabin feels designed for people who may spend weeks or months on board rather than just a few nights. Perhaps the most impressive space of all is the full beam owner's suite. Stretching across the entire width of the yacht, it feels more like a luxury apartment than a cabin. There is room to work, relax, and live comfortably while exploring distant parts of the world. But even this incredible interior is only part of the story. Because one of the most unusual features of Beyond Capricorn is not reserved for the owner at all. It is reserved for the people responsible for keeping the yacht running safely across the oceans. The crew-first design that changes everything. Most luxury yachts are designed around one goal: giving the owner as much space as possible. Crew areas are often pushed into small corners, hidden below deck, and treated as an afterthought. Beyond Capricorn takes a completely different approach. In fact, one of the most surprising things about this yacht is how much space has been dedicated to the crew. The people responsible for navigating the oceans, maintaining the vessel, and ensuring everyone remains safe are given facilities that are almost unheard of on a yacht this size. Forward of the main living areas, there is an enormous galley. This is not a tiny kitchen squeezed into a spare corner. It feels more like the kitchen of a serious expedition vessel. There is enough room for extensive food storage, meal preparation, and long-term provisioning. For owners planning months at sea, that capability becomes incredibly valuable. Nearby, the crew enjoy spacious accommodation with large cabins and comfortable bathrooms. It is a level of comfort rarely seen aboard yachts under 80 feet. But the real surprise comes one deck above. Instead of dedicating this space to another luxury lounge or entertainment area, Beyond Capricorn gives the entire deck to the crew and captain. It is one of the most unusual layouts in the Explorer yacht world. At the center sits the bridge, the command center of the vessel. Large windows provide excellent visibility, while modern navigation systems help guide the yacht across vast stretches of ocean. Just steps away is the captain's private cabin. This clever arrangement allows the captain to react immediately if anything happens during the night. A sound, an alarm, or a change in weather can be monitored within seconds. It is a simple idea, but one that reveals how seriously this yacht takes long-range cruising. For experienced owners, this matters enormously. A happy, comfortable crew performs better. A well-rested captain makes better decisions. And when crossing oceans thousands of miles from shore, those details can make all the difference. But even the bridge and crew deck are not the most impressive examples of Beyond Capricorn's engineering. For that, we need to go deeper into the yacht, into the place where true explorer capability begins. The engine room, built for global exploration. Every explorer yacht eventually faces the same question. It is not how beautiful it looks in a marina. It is not how many people stop to admire it at the dock. The real question is much simpler. Can it be trusted when the nearest land is hundreds or even thousands of miles away? For Beyond Capricorn, the answer begins in the engine room. Unlike many luxury yachts, where machinery is hidden away and difficult to reach, this yacht was designed for easy access. There are multiple ways to enter the engine room, including direct access from inside the main salon. That may sound like a small detail, but during rough weather, it becomes incredibly important. Crew members can safely reach vital systems without exposing themselves to wind, waves, or dangerous deck conditions. Inside, everything reflects the yacht's long-range mission. Twin Cummins engines provide dependable power while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency. The yacht also carries multiple generators, including a smaller night generator designed specifically to reduce fuel use and noise while guests are sleeping. It is the kind of practical thinking that only appears when a yacht is built for serious time at sea. One of the most fascinating features is hidden within the fuel system. Beyond Capricorn is equipped with an advanced fuel purification unit. This system removes water and contaminants from fuel before it reaches the engines. That means the yacht can confidently refuel in remote parts of the world where fuel quality may not always be perfect. It is exactly the sort of equipment that experienced ocean travelers appreciate. Even the engines themselves reveal the yacht's thoughtful engineering. They are housed inside special acoustic enclosures designed to reduce noise. The result is a quieter and more comfortable experience throughout the vessel. All of these systems work together to achieve something remarkable. A range of approximately 6,000 nautical miles. That is enough to connect continents, cross oceans, and reach destinations most yachts only dream about. And yet, as impressive as that number sounds, there is one final fact about Beyond Capricorn that changes everything. A single number that makes this yacht one of the most extraordinary explorer yachts in the world. The numbers that make no sense. Throughout this journey, Beyond Capricorn has continued to surprise us. The steel hull, the ocean crossing range, the enormous crew facilities, the practical design choices. Each one has revealed a yacht built with a very different purpose from most luxury vessels. But now we arrive at the number that changes everything. 259. That is the yacht's gross tonnage. In simple terms, it is a measurement of the usable interior volume inside the vessel. And for a yacht that is only 79 feet long, that figure is almost unbelievable. To understand how extraordinary that is, consider this. Many famous luxury yachts, measuring 90, 100, or even 110 feet in length, offer less interior volume than Beyond Capricorn. Some of the industry's most respected brands build yachts that are dramatically longer, yet still cannot match the space hidden inside this Explorer yacht. Think about what that means in the real world. More room for guests, more room for storage, more room for crew, more supplies, more comfort during long voyages, more freedom to stay at sea for months instead of days. Then combine that volume with a range of approximately 6,000 nautical miles. Suddenly, Beyond Capricorn becomes something very rare. It is not simply a luxury yacht. It is a floating home capable of crossing oceans while delivering the space normally found aboard vessels far larger and far more expensive. This is why experienced yacht owners often view Explorer yachts differently from traditional superyachts. They understand that true luxury is not measured by how many people admire the yacht at the dock. It is measured by where the yacht can take you. Beyond Capricorn was never built to be the loudest yacht in the harbor. It was built to reach places most yachts never will. Remote islands, distant coastlines, entire oceans away from the crowds. And that is the ultimate revelation. The greatest luxury on this yacht is not the furniture, the cabins, or even the enormous volume. It is freedom. The true meaning of Explorer luxury. In a world filled with yachts designed to attract attention, Beyond Capricorn stands apart by focusing on something far more important. Capability. From the outside, she may not be the flashiest yacht in the marina. She does not rely on dramatic styling, oversized glass panels, or fashionable trends to make an impression. Instead, she earns respect through thoughtful engineering, practical design, and an unwavering commitment to long-range exploration. Every part of this yacht tells the same story. The steel hull speaks of strength. The enormous interior volume speaks of comfort. The dedicated crew spaces speak of respect for the people who make great voyages possible. The fuel systems, bridge layout, and engine room all speak of reliability. Together, they create a yacht designed not for a weekend escape, but for a life of adventure. For wealthy owners, celebrities, business leaders, and experienced sailors, this represents a different kind of luxury. It is the luxury of independence. The ability to leave crowded ports behind. The freedom to travel thousands of miles without constantly thinking about the next fuel stop. The confidence to explore remote destinations that many yachts will never reach. Perhaps that is why Beyond Capricorn feels so special. She does not try to impress you with excess. She impresses you with purpose. Every decision on board serves a reason. Every feature supports the mission. And in the end, that may be the greatest luxury of all. Not being tied to a marina. Not being limited by distance. Not being restricted by where the map ends. Beyond Capricorn was built for people who look at the horizon and wonder what lies beyond it. People who see the ocean not as a barrier, but as an invitation. Because while many yachts are built to be admired from the dock, this Explorer yacht was built to keep going long after the shoreline disappears. And that is what makes Beyond Capricorn truly unforgettable.